Hello my little baker bees and welcome to a very special Christmas episode of Deadly Delicious Desserts. I'm your hostess, Lucille the Cure, and today I wanted to show you how to make a very quick hot toddy for all my little baker bees that doesn't know what a hot toddy is. I wanted to show you, since it's getting cold and a little bit chilly. And what do you think of my outfit? I'm all ready for Christmas. I know this year has been super difficult, so I hopefully will put a little smile on all my little bees' face out there for anyone who watches. Of course, before I carry on, you can get me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also hopefully TikTok for all those young people out there that don't know who I am. I know I ain't getting any younger. Right. Without further ado, let's get cracking, shall we? So, all you're going to need is a little glass. Now, I've already laid out some honey, so you basically want to dip the rim in the honey. Then you want to get the brown sugar and cinnamon. I've mixed the two in together, so it's all around the rim. Now, you're going to use hot water. Now, I boiled mine in a kettle. If you don't have a kettle, that's all good. You can use the stove instead. 6 ounces of hot water. Now you want to get your honey. Now if you have a sweet tooth like me, I always put a little bit of extra honey in. 2 tablespoons of honey, or I tend to use 3. But to save time, I'm just going to put 2 in. So you just put that in. Then now you want to squeeze a little lemon. And then stir until your honey has dissolved. So give that a good stir. So once that's all gone, preferably you now want to wait for at least a minute or so to let the flavours do its thing. But because we all have things to do, I'm now going to add in the alcohol. So I'm now adding 4 ounces of sherry, but by all means, you don't have to use sherry. You can use brandy, whiskey, and also spiced rum. Whatever takes your fancy, really, it's all good. So now you want to plonk that in. Then if you want to finish it off to make it look a little bit extra pretty, slice of lemon and top it off with cinnamon stick, and there you go, one hot toddy, my little baker bees. And that's it. I hope you're well, staying good and being safe. Until next time, bye bye.